In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sort button in Google Sheets using Apps Script. If you've ever found yourself spending too much time sorting data manually in Google Sheets, then this tutorial is for you. We're going to take advantage of Apps Script to automate the sorting process, making your data management tasks both quicker and easier. Let's dive right in. We'll begin by opening a Google Sheet. This is your starting point where all the data you want to sort is located. Once you're in your sheet, locate the top menu bar. This is where you'll see a tab labeled Extensions. Go ahead and click on the Extensions tab. It's here where we can access various add-ons and functionalities that Google Sheets offers. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select Apps Script. This will open a new tab, bringing you to the Apps Script editor. For those who may be new to Apps Script, it's Google's cloud-based JavaScript platform, allowing you to extend the functionality of Google Sheets and other Google Workspace apps. Now that you're in the Apps Script editor, it's time to add the sorting script. This is where the magic happens. In the code editor window, you'll need to type in the script for sorting. Make sure you enter this script carefully, as any typos can cause errors. This script will serve as the functionality behind your sort button, dictating how your data will be organized. Once you've entered the code, look at the toolbar above the editor. Here you'll find a button labeled Run. Click on it. Doing this will execute the script you just entered, effectively adding the sorting functionality to your Google Sheet. If this is your first time running a script, you might need to authorize it. Google will prompt you, and you'll have to grant the necessary permissions for the script to run. Finally, after the script has successfully executed, return to your Google Sheet. The moment of truth is here. Check on column 1, or whichever column you targeted in your script, to ensure that the data is sorted according to the parameters you specified. This means that your sort button is now operational and ready for use. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to manage your data using a custom sort button in Google Sheets, thanks to Apps Script. Remember, if you encounter any errors, you can always revisit the code to troubleshoot or make adjustments. With practice, you'll be able to refine the scripts you use, tailoring them to suit more specific needs as they arise in your projects. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Happy sheet sorting!